Tired of losing customers due to lack of instant communication on your WordPress site? Let's bridge that gap and supercharge your customer engagement by integrating Wati directly into WordPress. And start with logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to explore available plugins. In the search bar, type Wati. Locate the official Wati plugin for WordPress. Once you found it, click the Install Now button. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the Wati plugin on your site. Now, look at the WordPress menu. You should see a new option labeled Wati. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Wati API token. This token connects your WordPress site to your Wati account. You can find your API token within your Wati account settings, usually under the API or integration section. Copy the token. Paste the API token into the designated field in your WordPress Wati settings, and click Save Changes. Congratulations! Your Wati account is now integrated with your WordPress website. Visitors can now easily reach you via WhatsApp with just one click, fostering stronger connections.